Okay, it's planting time. Okay, right. This is what is happening this morning. These are seeds, green seeds on the stand. Give it to us by friend. I'm going to plant in this portion here. Show them. Show the seeds. Golden seeds. Alright. Water again. More water. Let them grow. Let me try here. Okay, there you are. So this is what's been happening. Okay, there, those are tomatoes I left before I went on holiday. There's some developments here on the land. It's prepared. Now those ones are the onions. Okay, and here we still have the flowers growing. And here, guess what these ones are? Yeah, strawberries. These are strawberries. Okay, these ones are the flowers. Okay, those ones are outside. Make summer beautiful, beautiful, beautiful summer plants. It's great. Wow, that's only me this morning. I'm into my greens, I'm into my planting, I'm into my little exercise. Very helpful. It's good. Like nature, it's good. Well, you want to see who's behind the camera? Next time, you see the man behind the camera.